two-stroker YouTube channel. Today's adventure, we're out here in the bush with Kurt and Eric. We're gonna get this old pile running and maybe get it out of here. We gotta do some kind of movement with it, but been here a minute. Number of years since it's ran or moved, but it dug all this shale pit for these roads that we came in on. So we're gonna see if we can't get her back going again and bring you guys along for the ride.
Yeah, I know, ain't it?
Well, boys, we're off to a good start. Kurt says we gotta pull a drain plug because it leaks coolant into the oil. So that's our first mission. Let's see what comes out of the oil pan. We got any idea how this thing works here, bud?
Yeah. Levers do one thing, pedals do another.
Perfect. That's exactly what I thought. Are these chrome? Holy shit.
Yeah.
All the options.
All the horsepower.
Oh, wow, guys. Look at this. We are going to give her all the way.
No,
it only
don't turn one way or another.
It only just goes up and back.
Yeah. And I want to say one is for the boom, one is for the stick.
Wow. So you
And
are...
your feet run the bucket in the house.
You are friggin' busy in this thing.
Yeah. Well, you got to think this thing isn't very far off of running the old table shovels.
Seriously. Everything moves.
Yeah, everything's free.
Or are these the same? No.
No, one's the house that's making it turn, and the other one's for the bucket.
Oh. It's free now. Gauges we got. Fuel level is what I said.
Yep.
Amps, water.
Anybody home? Wow, surprisingly no.
Oil pissies. Hours. How many hours?
All of them.
2,400. Really don't got shit for hours on it.
2,400 hours?
Yeah.
Well, judging by the tracks, it's probably about right.
Basically new. Huh. Alright. I'm sure we'll come back to this. We gotta see if it moves today, dude.
Well, once it starts, I'm gonna just pick the boom up and see if it fucking moves.
You might as well just start walking it out of here.
Yeah.
Got 6 months worth of walking to do.
You gotta fix that track. And turn it around.
He says he's gonna get a 4-pack.
And walk it out so you can get it out and open.
Is that another bucket for it over there? What is that thing? Yeah. Sick.
One of them's getting brought in the garage, welded. But look at the design of this boom. They actually had 2 places to put the pins for height.
Yeah, I saw
for
that.
depth,
Yeah.
which is nice.
Huh.
Look at the old school packing.
What does it got, like leather?
I don't know. That holds the seal.
We got like safety wire onto it. All the safety.
There's no top rollers. It's just a big skid plate.
Really?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
But it's got a mammoth freaking undercarriage. The track is, or the chain is solid. Or the sprocket. Doesn't have any relief holes in it at all. It's just a solid chunk of.
Well, there's one.
There is?
Yeah, right here.
Oh yeah.
It's funny. You were saying there's no holes in it at all as I'm filming a hole in the
Well,
sprocket.
I didn't look at that side, I guess.
Yeah.
I looked at the other side.
It's a friggin' large unit, dude. She's large.
It's supposed to be the equivalent of a 225 cat of the 80s.
I don't know what a 225 cat is, dude.
25 ton. Weighs 26 and a half ton.
This old friggin' noisemaker we gotta get going. Why don't you grab a screwdriver out of my thing and we might as well just look and see how many stock injectors we have.
Made in Mexico.
All the castings.
Is that normal?
Yeah. So you know it's good. Oh yeah. Beautiful.
They stuck. Come on,
Here, hold this thing. Whoa. Oh yeah. All right over.
Yeah, the center one's down.
See what's down here in the
When I ran and jumped out of the
pan.
cab, I missed the track and hit the ground. Both my fucking knees are on fire.
Oh, coolant. Oh yeah.
How much?
Pop it right out of there.
A lot?
Oh yeah. More than a little.
Antifreeze?
Yeah.
No, it's not for you.
Oh, it's gonna go in my armpit.
Don't pull it all the way out.
I'm not. I'm just resituating so my armpit isn't so sticky.
Maybe these tails be able to get the lid off.
You want me to hold that?
That one's full. Crusty.
You ain't oil yet? No.
Muddy hydraulic fluid.
That's on the oil gun?
Yeah.
I'm glad you changed it.
Releveling the oil.
Oh, I guess there was some,
Antifreeze in oil?
yeah.
Only in the winter. Got a little bit of, no, not yet. Oh, it's trying to turn to oil. There it is. I'd let it bleed a little bit more. Still,
Here, I'll give you a pail.
it's still got a green hue to it. Does it feel like oil now, Derek? Yeah. Yeah, oil. It's only like 2 minutes of friggin' coolant come out of it. Wait, are we actually changing the oil?
That's what Kurt said.
Wow. Impressive. All right, boys, you're on the helmet cam. Time is it, Kurt? 11?
It is 11:18.
Technically still breakfast beer.
I think for the most part, this thing really is all American,
Oh, absolutely.
and it's all just viable parts. You go down to a hydraulic store and you can buy the stuff.
Oh, it's for sure all parts, Kurt.
Yeah, but it's not like crazy freaking
Yeah,
import.
Mexican or Chinese, whatever parts.
Yeah,
Come on, bro. What's wrong with the Dong Fang excavators?
no Chinesium in this
Nothing,
old
as
girl.
long as they start up and they run,
I told
they're all
Mike,
good.
I told Mike, I said, judging by the size of the mufflers that are on this, I said, I'm going to be buying two elbows and putting them sideways across the hood.
Slide it down.
Yeah. Well, I found shale in my backyard too.
Did you?
Yeah. Yeah, I said, guess where that thing's going first? It's up home.
Dig up and mine my 5-acre backyard.
Did.
Like I said, he bought it from Butchie Como. Where Butchie Como got it, I have no idea.
It only has 2,400 hours on it.
Yeah. It was the worst part.
All right.
Kurt, where's the oil filter?
Banged it out, straightened out best I could.
There we go. Anybody want to get a hold of Diesel Creek and show them how to do this? It'd be great. I won't have to watch them pry on the friggin' rack.
They're not O-ring, it's a flat washer. Yeah. That's what
Like a glove. Capital and truck parts, that's where you should be getting all your things. Oh, that's gonna break. Not here for that. That's a Kurt problem.
Yeah.
Not a Wayne problem. I can't believe them things are coming out. They're a little spicy when they come out. There we go.
Not like this thing will ever see it if you're using it.
Kurt. There she goes. That's gonna be so fun to get back on there. Oops. It's also a Kurt problem.
Big enough.
Well, that one come right out. Listen, if I get face to face with a bee, it's gonna be the last time that bee ever sees anything. And I would not want to die looking at my face.
The only inspection board. Oh yeah, now you got a couple hanging around you.
Jeez, it's friggin' rusty under there. It's weird. It's like there was coolant and oil or something. Two more stuck on this side. Boy, did you make a mess over here. Sorry. It's better.
Getting there.
It's fine. Good enough to run. All we did was bar it over a little and work it.
Talk about the
It ain't stuck, so.
925 pole crank and amp black box battery from Capital Land.
Perfect.
I think they're only 90 bucks.
Oh, there's your 90 bucks.
What was that? Oh, you slipped off.
Yeah. I was giving her all away. Like a glove, dude. See if it catches on fire.
What's the ticky ticky?
I don't know.
Check the other side. I hear a weird ticky ticky.
Yeah, me too. It's not lost on me.
Is it an injector coming up and slapping?
I don't know.
Hanging?
See anything over there, Derek?
They're all up. Turn it over.
It was an injector, yep. Doing it again. Get right up in there, dude. I won't let it start until it...
We gonna watch it?
Yeah, look, just make sure that maybe or there's not a valve
Hanging.
bridge
No, those bridges are on.
tweaked, right?
They're on.
I thought so. All right. Maybe it's got a sticky valve. Ready? It's the starter.
They're all coming up.
It's good. It's the
Light it off.
starter. Give me a spritz. It's on the other side.
Smoking.
She'll go.
Whatchamacallit ain't tripped, right? Emergency stop.
It is up. I checked that already.
Ready?
I thought you said you checked it.
What? Unless Kurt pulled it since I looked at it when we got here.
It's good now. Bet you it fires right off. Don't even spritz it.
Okay.
Friggin' guy. Right in the face with the smoo.
Oh, it's the snakeskin you were admiring.
Yeah. No, it's another one.
Another one?
Yeah. Spritz it.
Okay.
Oh. It's not. Maybe it.
This?
Yeah. Well, it was the other way. That's not full throttle. Right there. That's where you want. It's good right there. I don't know why it's got tension on it, like it wants to go. But the rack's moving fine, you know.
Yeah.
It's in the governor, whatever. To go, but it's the governor's controlling it. I let it go and it like fluttered, you know, like it.
Yeah. It just wants to dig.
Yeah, it's like it's at full throttle. What's the cab look like, dude?
Bees.
Oh, stop.
I remember.
I don't know. I've never run the throttle before. I don't know which way's which.
Me either, honestly. Oh, cock. Muffler's hot.
That's low throttle.
Right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was on high throttle before, I think.
Push it forward, it goes slow.
All right, let's see what it does. Other way? There you go. Let's see what that is. There you go. Hey Kurt, you want to button it up so it's not tossing oil everywhere? I'm just buttoning it up so it ain't tossing oil everywhere. Breakfast beer, fellas. Number 2.
Little nose on it.
What are we doing, puppy?
68?
What are you doing?
No, it was
good boy.
short nose.
Fuck, where are they coming out of now?
No, pull the shutdown lever, I'm saying.
I can't reach it because there's a bee's nest right near it.
Oh, just spray them.
Where are they?
I don't know. They're coming out everywhere. I think most of them ran away. No. That's off.
You got a torch? Here, hold this.
Which one's the emergency shutdown?
Well,
Which one was the shut off?
the back one I think was a shut off. Regular shut off.
Where's the bees?
I don't know. Because every time I go in there, more come off.
Fuck's sakes, Kurt.
Just slam the door.
Watch out.
Most of them went.
The growling sound of that exhaust actually sounds really good. Your neighbors will think the same.
An excavator, it's not a fucking monster. You're supposed to just run it.
I know, but it has that good sound.
That's the shut off. Give me a beer back. I don't know. That's touchy. Found the bees. Pussies. F you. I'm gonna die today, mother. Oh, they're f***ing heated, bud. Uh-oh. That's inconvenient. Run away! Run away! Run away! Run away!
Full send. You can.
It's all yours now, Kurt.
Oh, now that he pissed them all off?
Most of them are dead. I sprayed the shit out of them.
I know.
Beer in hand. I look down at the column.
Yeah,
And they're just sitting there looking at me. I'm going, eh.
Yeah, that's what they did. Oh, look at them. They're coming out of there.
Oh, dude, they're pissed. Get you some, mother. I'm busy right now. What's left of that bee spray? Enough. Holy shit, that's weird. So the feet operate the... Dude, I am not ready for this. Let's freaking dig, eh, boys? Oh, yeah. She's a friggin' digging machine. Why are we stuck on here now? I think this one, yeah, this one. So this moves the curl. Yeah. Wow, this thing is friggin' goofy, dude. Huh. Jesus Christ, that's sketchy. Ugh. Need that. Wrong way. It's gonna take forever, boys. I am not used to this. That's not it. Jesus Christ. Huh. Basically experts. Two controls at one time, huh? You are the king. Oh, she's a digging son of a bitch, boys. Look at the shale. Dude, this thing is cool. It digs. Wanna see if it moves? Hey! Should we see if it moves? I'm freaking giving her. Huh? Moves fine.
Don't walk that track out. That feels like this. Don't jump that track right out.
The wheel's crooked?
Yeah.
That's not good.
Swing it back so the ass is this way and goes that way. Pick up on the nose. Tram straight.
Yo, you want me to pick up on that side? Alright.
Pull on that side.
Alright. Hey! Get the camera! Wrong way. This thing's freaking cool. Ooh, it moves quickly. Wow, look at that. It just freewheels. Huh. Alright, let's see. go over there. Wrong way. Okay, you ready? Here we go.
Check the coolant in it too.
Well, yeah, that's what I was saying. I said there wasn't any in it, and you told me there was. So I don't care.
Clearly there was a little.
Doesn't matter to me.
Clearly there was a little coolant in it because we found it in a pan.
Yeah, that's in the wrong area. All right. Oh, sick.
What are your ideas?
Boy, that's an exercise in futility. Buddy, why is it all wet?
Holy Christ. It's raining.
Oh, you made a mess.
All day, man.
Something down in here.
Something let go?
Oh, yeah.
I see that. Haha. Figures.
So close.
Right when we're at the biggest hill.
That was $300 worth of oil that just blew out.
Where the fuck did it leak from?
I don't know. Hey. Well, holy shit, was that big?
It looks
I don't know.
looks slippery.
Very.
Well, at least it wasn't coolant.
I mean, at least. Only looking at $100 worth of coolant.
Yeah, but if it was coolant, the motor would be popped. We'll fire it up and see where it's leaking from.
Holy.
You want me to start it?
Yeah, quickly.
You just tell me when to shut it
Gotta
off.
be on the drive.
Cause the boom ain't come slamming down or nothing.
No, it's one of the main pump.
Yeah, it was still spraying when I shut everything down, so.
Crank, no.
You want me to just crank it?
No fuel.
you might want to give it, just start it and shut it off.
Oh, it's right here under me. Yeah.
You find it?
Yeah. I have to find it.
Is there a door under there?
There's a door right here, John.
Does Phil have an oil truck he can bring back?
Did you find it? Oh, you gotta. I gotta move this. I think is that.
Yeah.
Slide it. Good.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's fancy.
Kurt. Kurt. No. Show the people.
Oh,
Don't point it at you.
There it is, right here.
there we go.
You want me to start it?
Nope, I see it.
Oh, we got some.
Oh, you can see it.
We got some issues in here.
Oh.
Oh, it's only a 2-footer.
Where's it go to?
Goes right there, from there to there.
That ain't too bad then.
She's a serious fucking main line by the looks of it.
Yeah.
Got rid of the bees though.
Well, I bet it did.
Yeah, a little wet in here.
All right. Well, boys, I don't know if you got the subtle hints in the video or not, but t-shirts are now available on the website. So check that out, old2sugar.com. I'm super pumped to be able to bring them to you. That's going to do it for this one. We successfully saved that excavator, got it to Kurt's house. He's going to replace a couple more hydraulic hoses on it, fix teeth on the bucket, and dig his parents' new foundation, I guess, with it. So that's the plan for that old girl. It'll be good to put it back to work. I don't know how he can afford the fuel, because I can't, but God bless him. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see y'all in the next one.